We're out here today at Seaworld San Antonio. We are going to be finally going to Aquatica. At least this is going to be the first time filming it as we go in. Anyway, let's go inside and
see what we can see.
Let's see what we can see. By the way, I'm using the GoPro today. First, we're coming over here to say hi to the sea lions. They're wide awake. See them? Say hi to them. Say hi. Oh, look at that little guy right there. He's just coming right up to us. Oh no, we don't have food, buddy. I'm sorry. All right, finally heading on in. Not too much has changed this year as far as the entrance into Aquatica goes. It's more or less the same that it's always been, but there is a few new things on the inside that we're definitely going to be checking out. And every day that Aquatica is open is 10:30 to 6 p.m. And one of the first things that you see as you're coming in is Stingray Cove right over here, which is an experience where you can actually get in with the stingrays. You can see there's a family over there having their experience. You can see this is the entire water park here. It is extremely colorful. So much vibrancy going on here. It's one of my favorite things about it. All right, we found a nice little shaded spot over here, and then we got your life vest too. Did you pick that color? What do you want to do first?
Wave pool.
Wave pool? All right, let's go. Whew. All right, we just got done with Aquatica. What are we getting ready to go do?
Saying bye to the dolphins.
We're gonna say bye to the dolphins? Look, right there. See it?
Mm-hmm.
We got people training over there. But I actually have people doing the dolphin experience. You can see them like petting it right there. That's cool.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, dolphins. Heading on out from the world of sea. We are gonna be staying cool at these theme parks because this is gonna be a record hot summer if you don't know already. Oh no! Oh, looks like somebody had a good day. I'm just gonna place that right there. Oh, sorry. How's it? Feel better now? Yeah, you're sleepyhead. Just a quick visit to the water park. This isn't gonna be a long video, obviously, as you can see. I just wanted to go out and film some of the water park because I don't think I have ever posted a water park video at all on this channel, so this is a first. But we will be going to this Six Flags water park, Hurricane Harbor, sometime next week. But anyway, enough of my gibberish. If you like the video, like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, consider hitting the subscribe button. But with that being said,
Have a good day.
have a good day! Oh, and my car is getting ready to hit over 100,000 there. Any second now. This is my first time ever actually seeing it happen in any car that I've ever had. I've had a couple cars turn over 100,000, but I missed it every single time. This time I get to actually see it. There it is, 100,000. I've officially joined the club. Anyway, have a good day.